Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. What's up, YouTube? Finally, after vacuum from YouTube for a few months, today I made a new video that can educate you all. I hope you like it. Okay, so someone can be called a good speaker when they speak clearly and what they've spoken can be understood by other people. It can be seen from how they pronounce the word correctly and perfectly. Sometimes someone who faces in reading Holy Quran and they use tajwid, they can speak English correctly and perfectly. The smallest unit of language is sound, and pronunciation is the way how sounds are produced. This video investigated the comparison between Arabic and English sound by knowing the place of articulation in both of languages. First, I will give you some example of place of articulation in English. The place of articulation is the location at which two speech organs approach or come together in producing a speech sound. And here's some example. And the next one is Arabic makhorijul huruf, also can be called place of articulation. It is the correct position of the organs of speech in order to produce a letter or. So, it can be finally concluded that someone who faces in reciting Holy Quran, they will pronounce word of English good and correctly, but who good in speaking English, not always well in reciting Holy Quran. Okay, maybe that's all. Sadly, this is the end of the video. I hope you like it, and I'm Aramdanm. Peace out. Assalamualaikum.